What's up, guys? Welcome to my another video. It's Dipen from Best Software Deals, the best place to get insane deals on business software. #1 digital marketplace for entrepreneurs. Today we're checking out Translate.Video, a tool that can translate, dub, caption and transcribe your videos in over 75 languages. It all starts with your video file. You can start with a full translation plus subtitles, or just add subtitles and then translate everything in over 75 languages. Recording multiple speakers, this tool can detect and dub over all of them with premium voiceover. Translate.Video can generate transcripts that are super easy to edit. You can change the audio rate, rephrase stuff, and make it shorter or longer, all with one click. The Find and Replace feature makes it easy to search for a word and replace it with something stronger. You can also merge transcript cards, change the card display rate, and generate more transcripts and dubs in other languages. Alright, let me level with you. You gotta upgrade your plan before locking in this deal. Because Tier 2 unlocks 60 minutes of video translation every month and 3 gigs of storage. Tier 3 doubles that and gives you 10 voiceover minutes per month. All you gotta do is click that drop-down menu before adding Translate.Video to your cart. Let's talk subtitles. This tool offers a variety of animated subtitles inspired by YouTube giants like MrBeast. Just click Generate Subtitles to preview different styles. From there, you can customize the font, design, timing, and location of your subtitles. Exporting is easy too. Just choose the resolution and confirm the language with just 50 seconds of data. Translate.Video can clone your voice in over 75 languages.